In this video, we will go over the proper steps in removing and replacing a bellow on the Frigidaire front-load washer. To remove the bellow on a Frigidaire front-load washer, start by taking a pair of needle nose pliers and grab the small loop at the bottom of the outer spring on the bellow. Pull the bellow out just enough at the top to remove the LED drum light and the fresh rinse inlet hose. For demonstration purposes, we remove the front panel to give you a better view of the next step. The bellow sits between this groove of the outer tub and counterweight. Reach in behind the bellow and carefully push up and pull out the inner spring with the bellow out of the unit. Before installing the new bellow, take some silicone lubricant and spray around the inner side of the bellow. When installing the replacement bellow, note that there is a small triangle on the bellow itself. This signifies that this is the top of the bellow. This will line up with the matching triangle on the front panel. Firmly push the bellow into this groove between the outer tub and counterweight. Continue this process around the entire tub opening. To install the inner spring, fold the bellow into the tub. Place the inner spring into the groove on the bellow and secure it with a spring clamp. Guide the spring into the groove all the way around the bellow, depending on the tension of the spring. Additional spring clamps may be needed. Unfold the bellow back towards the front panel and reinstall the LED drum light and the fresh rinse inlet hose. Go around the edge of the bellow and make sure the edge of the bellow is flush with the front panel. Reinstall the outer spring, keeping the small loop at the bottom of the tub opening. With the bellow installed, test the operation of the washer to finish the repair. With a little practice, a seasoned technician can replace a bellow in under 5 minutes.